Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are discussing about exploded view motion study analysis of piston cylinder assembly. This is a piston cylinder assembly. Okay, this is a piston cylinder assembly. Engine block and crankcase and connecting rod and pistons assembly. Now going to select exploded command and then select this one. And we can select the top surface. Now go to drag the top component. Just go to drag, left click and drag, and bottom crankcase you can select. Just go to drag each and every drag the left side. You can indicate it for step 1, step 2, exploded step 1, step 2, and select all 4 cylinder top surface. You can select wrongly, so you can delete, and then again you can select the top surface of the cylinder, and now I'm going to drag it again next component, next 2 component you can drag. Okay, another one, next one, going to gauge and pin. You can select each and every gauge and pin. The same thing, drag the right side. Okay, another one, next one is a connecting rod. Select all the 4 connecting rods as you have to drag, and okay, drag it, and bottom top portion of the connecting rod is already completed. It's a bottom portion of the connecting rod. Just have to drag in bottom direction. Drag another 2. Okay, I'm going to export it in all the components. I'm going to select the full assembly and then collapse. Select collapse, and then again right click, animate the controls. Going to motion study. Just select the animation type is explode, and then finish. Next one, and it can be calculated what are the direction we can be explode. Each and every direction should be animated like that. Okay, again we going to select collapse, and then again you can be finish. Is the next start direction is a 15 second and finish direction is a 20 second. Okay, finish, and again you can be reassemble all the individual parts. Okay, and in each and every parts you can assemble separately, and very nice to see that. So many more number of components are available. This is very easiest way to create export animation. This is a creating for creating a separate video. So video location we can be select. Okay, it can be selected. Now I'm going to start. Okay, this is automatically exploded here, and automatically collapse the each and every components. Okay, this is perfectly animated. Okay, now the video is created. I'm going to save the component. Thank you for watching our design export channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.